There we go then, Hawaiian pizza toasty. Now we are going in search of the elusive pint for €1. A pint of tropical beer for €1. So I've just got myself a cheeseburger and chips. So let's have a look at what this looks like. Well, that to me looks like pretty much like the standard UK offering. Dry on the bottom, stuck on the top, and the chips a little bit wooey, a little bit whey. So let's see what that tastes like. Cheeseburger, no difference to the UK whatsoever. Fries, undersalted and plasticky. What do we expect from a McDonald's? But this is when fast food comes into its own right. It ain't supposed to be nice, or all that nice. It's supposed to be edible and do something for you after you've had a couple of beers. I don't quite know how McDonald's pull this off because I'm underwhelmed and happy at the same time. I've got exactly what I knew I was going to get. That's what I'm leaving. It's done exactly what it says on the tin. So it is Wednesday morning, folks. Today, first day we've really got up late, I suppose. It was 9:30 when I got up. Mrs. Tooth got up just before me. She's in the shower now. We are going to go out. This will be the first time we've actually going out for breakfast. So we have had a mooch down the fronts. We are on the strip. Only the second time we've been on the strip since we've been here. We are at Cafe Maritoni, where we came last year because we were staying literally right behind here. Food's average at best, but I'd rather know it's average and pay for it than expect it to be average and it's crap. For our stellar meal, I am having a cheese roll and Mrs. Tooth is having ham, cheese and pineapple toasty. Basically a pizza toasty, a Hawaiian pizza toasty. There we go then, Hawaiian pizza toasty with plastic cheese and plastic ham and pineapple. And then I've got a plastic cheese roll. Bland food this morning, people, bland foods. That's all we wanted. That was perfectly fine. You can see out behind me, you've got the view over the sea and the beach. That's the view that Mrs. Tooth has got. I haven't got that, have I, Mrs. T? No. Oh, pity the fool. The view that I've got is this. Which one of us is luckier? I think it's me. There's Maritoni, where we've just been to eat. That there on the corner is Buccaneers, and just to the far side of Buccaneers is Shenanigans, and both very popular pubs here. Just up the top there, you can see La Branda Los Cocoteros, which is a beautiful apartment block, really cheap as chips, but fantastic service. Really clean rooms, good sized rooms, got those big picture windows just looking out over this view behind us. And we paid, what, it was £500 each for a week there, wasn't it, last year, to get a view with a big picture window out over this. Yeah, that was including flights as well, folks. We are not all about the highbrow stuff in life. We have shown you the Mickey D's here. Now we are going in search of the elusive pint for €1. Does it exist in Puerto del Carmen, Lanzarote? Let's go and find out. Here we have it, folks. Sun Lounge, €1 a pint every day, 12 till 5. Let's go and see what this pint is like. A little Brummy told me you do a pint for €1, is that right?
We do, yes. We have a tropical for €1.
That's perfect, thank you very much. Yeah, one of those, and what would you like? So, there you go, people. It still exists in Puerto del Carmen, Lanzarote, a pint of tropical beer for €1. How about that? 12 till 5 every day at the Sun Lounge. So can anyone tell me why Goofy Burger has gone from red to blue? Is it political? We don't know. In the comments below, people, in the comments below. There's a casino over there. Gotta love a casino while you're on holiday, right? Little bit of a flutter. Have some of that. just had a little drink in California bar where we like to come each time we're out here, and we're now stood at the bus stop right next to it. About 5 minutes, should have the number 3 bus, and that will take us more or less all the way back to the room. Just drops us off about 2-minute walk away. They say it's doing all the hill on the way back up as well, and it's not expensive for a cab from here. It's probably about €5 for a cab, €6, something like that, but it'd still be cheap to jump on the bus, so we're going to do that. Right, we'll see you when we're back up there. So we just got off the bus there at Las Vistas bus stop. That took us about 10 minutes, was €2.80. So we're back here at Eliro Bar, just outside where we're staying. Got myself a beer. Mrs. Tooth's got herself a Prosecco. Mrs. Tooth has grabbed herself a pot of Pringles. Fun fact, people, did you know that Pringles don't actually have potato in them? It's just potato starch. The one thing that Pringles are good for is...
We had a few more beers at the Banana Cafe at the Old Town Marina before moving on to what was the best meal of the holiday. For us, it beat both Taberna del Nino and La Cascada hands down, and at €60 for both of us, it ain't over the top for the best food we ate in 10 days. Laters, potatoes, off your pop.